Step into a space where warm, sepia-toned hues meet bold patterns and vibrant colors. Thoughtfully layered elements, like floral prints and jewel-toned accents, bring energy and personality while honoring the timeless charm of classic design. Parris-Lamb's work in this project is a masterclass in blending historical reverence with contemporary comfort and personalized flair. Their design process for these unique homes often begins with a meticulous appraisal of the brownstone's inherent beauty. They focus on preserving and, if necessary, meticulously replicating original architectural details. This includes everything from the intricate plasterwork on ceilings and delicate crown moldings to the patterns of original wood flooring. They understand that these elements are fundamental to the brownstone's charm and narrative, and they ensure they are given due prominence. A signature element in their park slope brownstone decor is the intelligent application of color and pattern. They frequently establish a foundation of warm, often deep, brown tones. This rich base provides a comforting, almost sepia-toned ambience, evoking a sense of history while acting as a sophisticated backdrop. Against this, they introduce layers of vibrant color and compelling patterns. This might manifest as bold-scale floral prints on an armchair, intricate geometric patterns in a rug, or unexpected bursts of jewel tones in upholstery or accent pieces. The key is their ability to balance these strong elements, ensuring they add excitement and personality without detracting from the brownstone's classic structure. Given the grand proportions and often deep layouts of brownstones, Jessie Parris-Lamb pays immense attention to creating a sense of intimacy and functionality. They are adept at bringing down to earth the imposing scale of high ceilings, making rooms feel more inviting and less cavernous. This is achieved through carefully considered furniture arrangements, often incorporating custom built-ins that offer both storage and cozy nooks for reading or lounging.